New Worlds of Work is a program that focuses on employability skills, and you'll hear a lot of terms to describe this: soft skills, essential skills, competencies. Really what it gets down to are these are the intrinsic human skills that we all need to be viable not only in education and in careers, but also to think about the ways in which we can exist in an ever-changing economy that's becoming increasingly automated.
The positive benefits of learning skills that allow students to become more employable, not only in terms of direct skills in the jobs that they might be doing, but as important, the skills necessary to be successful in a workplace. All are hugely important to the success of our colleges and our communities. We need to have a vibrant workforce in order to maintain a strong economy. And so our students have to be not only prepared with the knowledge, critical thinking skills, but also the skills that they're going to need to work in the new environments that are being created in the workforce.
The New World of Work program focuses on primary components, one being the curriculum, and that focuses on the essential employability skills. And it's the full cohort that anyone needs to teach that content. So it's the curriculum, it's the lesson plans, videos. There's also a training component so that individuals who want to go out and teach this in courses and workshops, in community partnerships, are able to do so by practicing it ahead of time, getting to really have that hands-on experience with it.
Trainings are run across the state of California as well as upon request nationally and internationally. The program has a network of trainers who are dedicated to promoting personal and professional development.
I have a passion for helping build skills and bring people the ability to feel not only successful in their work but in life. And I felt like when I saw the top 10 list, was like, yes, these are exactly those skills and qualities that really contribute to who we are as people and how we show up in the world. Being the lead trainer, I'm out in the field and I'm getting to interact and engage with all of the potential instructors and who they'll be delivering to the learners. And so I really feel like I get to bring both my knowledge of the industry and the importance of these skills, but also help them develop their own understanding of it. So there's a win-win just all around.
The goal was to provide free resources for the program, but what we found is that instructors really benefited by receiving additional guidance on using the curriculum and also having access to multiple resources that they could use in the classroom.
These additional resources include assessment and digital badge strategies to enhance learning and to showcase skills development.
And then the other component that we're looking at is assessments, and we're using a very innovative approach by partnering with partners like the Foundation for California Community Colleges as well as Badger to create digital badge assessments. And those are micro-credentials that are highly portable, can be put on different profiles online, including LinkedIn, and it really gives a currency so that learners can go out and have that in the workforce.
I think digital badges can be used by employers to really suss out not just knowledge attainment, but skill verification. So there's the concept of, I can say that I know how to do something because I've read about it and I've learned about it, but there's the transition between knowledge and understanding when you actually are doing the type of work that a badge can demonstrate. And it allows you to have a marker for, hey, I was able to accomplish this. I was able to be validated by either an employer or by an instructor that I have these skills and can bring them to the table for employers.
New World of Work is creating an ecosystem of instructors, learners, and employers all tied together through the value of our human skills.
The program has been funded through the state of California and the California Community College Chancellor's Office, which has enabled the program not only to serve the entire California Community College system of 115 colleges, but also their partners. And it's really that idea that a community college serves its community. And so this content has been able to spread from not only the colleges, but also out into their partnerships in their community organizations, their workforce development boards. It really creates a cohesive movement within the regions across the state.
So I think it's important that any state investment, any public investment in this kind of work, ensure that the work be made available to anyone who can gain access to it and who can gain benefit from it. Our goal is to improve the lives of not only Californians, but all Americans. And if these efforts, which are publicly funded, can lead to that, then I am hopeful that anybody in the country can benefit from this. And as well as, we would expect that as we do our work in other states, replicate it, that perhaps we can learn something from them in the way that they've adopted it, in the way that they've implemented it. So I think as a nation, that is really the only way that we're going to move forward. We're going to move forward not only as improving the state of California, but all 50 states need to improve and think about this issue and work together and share resources, because there are not enough resources in one state of the nation to really solve this issue. But together we can really move this forward quite a ways. And so anything we can do in California that would benefit other states or other nations, that's exactly what we should be doing.